Hi trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Please remember to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Two of the greatest female sprinters, bar none, in the world of athletics, Shelly Fraser-Pryce and Elaine Thompson-Herah, both women legendary in their own right. Shelly Fraser-Pryce, a three-time Olympic gold medalist and a whole 10-time World Championship gold medalist, while Elaine Thompson-Herah, a five-time Olympic gold medalist. Both women doing things that have never been done before in the sport of athletics, and of course, their pet events, sprinting, the women's 100 meters and the 200 meters. Those women are the women that most athletes look up to in the sport of track and field, and are out here giving it words of encouragement and advice to their rivals trackies, and I'm absolutely here for it and here for them motivating athletes to see the best in themselves and go out there and run their absolute best. Now, it's kind of interesting when I think about the dynamic between, Shelly and Fraser Price, Elaine Thompson-Herah, and this one sprinter, Daryl Nita, because trackies, these two athletes have a kind of epic race or epic rundown with Daryl Nita over the years in the 4x1 that has been well discussed across many platforms, trackies. And it's kind of interesting that the same two athletes that, have run her down and defeated her, on the line in a 4x1 are the same two athletes that are literally giving her words of advice and encouragement to say, hey, you can be so much better than you are right now. And what I have witnessed over the years, trackies, is literally Daryl Nita becoming better and better each year. I definitely see her growth, and we're seeing rapid growth from her as well. And of course, as I said, I'm happy hearing that both Shelly Fraser Price and Elaine Thompson-Herah, athletes that she look up to, are out here tracking supporting her on her rise. Even though, as I said, they're rivals, this is still competition. Shelly is here to win, Elaine is here to win, but they still take a moment to say, hey girl, I see you, you can do much better, or hey girl, great race today, But I'm gonna let you take a listen to Daryl Nita and what she had to say, and just giving a shout out to Shelly and Elaine and showing her appreciation, trackies. As usual, let me know your thoughts in the comments, like the video, and of course subscribe. I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye.
How do you every single day go, I know I can beat them and I'm going to?
Because, well, number one is I'm actually really fortunate. For some reason, the ladies, let's say like Shelly or an Elaine, they give me a lot of advice and they talk to me and they're very friendly. So when you're able to talk to people that are better than you, you're able to get tips and advice, and it does give you that confidence to say, if they can see it in you, why can't you see it in yourself? If they've done it, Literally, it could just be like a 2-second conversation, or let's say last year at the World Championships, I had a conversation with Shelly-Ann, and she just said to me, I was on the way to the corner, and she said, Dee, the 200 is all about execution. You have to believe in yourself in this event, just go for it. And I was on my way to the call room. It was like a 10-second little bit of advice, but it was major, just to have that on the way to the call room. And then I placed 5th in the final, which was my best achievement at a major championship. So, and then someone like Elaine, she'll message me often and be like, good job on your race today, or just little things. And it's like, wow, that's just so amazing to be, be given advice by women that you look up to with so much respect. And they've done such amazing things. I've grown up watching them, and so to be given those words of encouragement, it means a lot.